Hey guys, how you doing? It's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms, and check it out. I'm in Sevierville, Tennessee, and there is an open Radio Shack in 2020, October of 2020. Let's go check it out.
All right, so hey, don't get your hopes up, guys and gals. This one was not anywhere near as impressive as the one in Porticello. This one is, though, open. I'm checking out, letting some lady in here and checking this place out. It is a little more bare bones and not as focused on the radio hobby in general. Just a little bit of everything, and you'll see as we walk through here. Reminds me of the one we had in our local mall back in 2015 when it went out of business. You can see some computer stuff, some older cables, and a few cards and stuff like that. Nothing really spectacular here. A couple of HDMI converters, and there's a Swan security system. I remember my local Radio Shack carried Swan security products the last year they were in business. So it does have some of that stuff going on. A little karaoke stuff here. That was kind of interesting. And then, hey, check out that phone, a flip phone. Anyway, over here we do have a lot of television and radio related products here, a lot of TV stuff. Nothing like the old days of Archer, but they did have some pretty decent outdoor antennas and all the connectors you'd ever need, and a couple of preamps and cabling, of course. Back wall was kind of weird stuff. I didn't spend a lot of time on that, but just like stereo systems, but like oddball name brand stuff there. Nothing Radio Shack branded there. And it did still have, soldering guns and wire clips and boards for, making projects. So that's cool that it still had all that, solder and the little kit. So I appreciated that. And then we move on here, and this is just batteries and converters and inverters. A little surprising to see some of the inverter stuff here, but there was there. I did not see any CB radios in the whole place, which was a little sad, but there was some AM FM stuff. As I walk around the main counter here, you'll see there was some FRS stuff and a couple of portable radios, old school radios. You can see them. I'm sorry for the quality of this video, but I was trying not to be noticed while I filmed. And then lastly, we did have some RC cars. Radio Shack used to have some pretty cool RC cars, and they do have some drones and stuff like that. So not completely, useless, but just nowhere near as awesome as the other one when it came to radio gear.